Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how I use these items and make a glam display tray. Alright, we're gonna start with this picture frame and it's 8 by 10. So we're just gonna turn it over and we are going to take off this tab here off the back because we don't need it. So just keep going back and forth and pull off the tab. And now we're just going to open it up and take out the back. And now that everything's out, I'll be using some of this glam that I have here, and I'll just be cutting it down to size that we need. And I'll be using some hot glue, gluing it around our outside of our tray. And now I have some of this glitter sheet. It's a nice piece of sheet here that I got from the dollar store. So I'm just gonna flip it over and take the insert that was in our picture frame, and I'm gonna tape it down so it can stay still while I'm cutting it out. Just use any tape you have on hand. I had my painter's tape, so that's why I'm using this. And I just take my scissors and cut out the size of the paper. There we go. So now it's all done. So now we have to put our mirror piece on it, which it has the self-adhesive on the back. And the blue is a protective foam to protect the mirror. So I'm just going to try my best to center it onto the glitter sheet. And now I'm going to put the pieces back inside. Put the pieces back inside our frame. And now I can remove the protective plastic from the mirror. There we go. And then we're just going to put everything back together. Okay, here's our tray, and I think it looks a little plain. So I'm going to use some of these mirror tiles and put going right around the outside of our tray. And they come with a self-adhesive on the back. So just remove that and then add it going around the outside of our tray, all the way around.
All my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. All my life. And now see that nobody like you.
Now I decided to add some legs to our tray. So I'll be using these tumbling block squares along with some white acrylic paint. I'm going to paint them white because I'll be using them for the legs of our tray. And after I finish painting them, I'll be setting them aside to dry for a few hours. And now our blocks are all dry. And I didn't paint the bottom part, which I didn't need to paint the top part either. And I'll be using some more of the mirrored tiles to place going around the outside of our blocks. Yeah, like I was saying, I didn't need to paint the top part of the legs either, but I didn't think of that. So if you're using these for the legs, just paint the sides. The sides going all the way around, you don't need to paint the top or the bottom. So now our legs are all done. I'll be using some of our Gorilla Glue along with my hot glue gun to place our legs going right around our tray.
Celebrate now. Summer, all my life I've been waiting for somebody like you. And now see that nobody like you. Nowadays my life's like a hurricane ran through it.
And here's the finished look. Our Glam mirrored tray using dollar store items and more. I like how it turned out. I think it looks very nice. A very easy and glam home decor. A nice mirror tray that you can display anywhere throughout your home. In your living room, in your bedroom, in your washroom, anywhere you'd like a tray, and you can display all sorts of items on it. And here it is. I put it with a little vase on it. But you know, you can, like I said, you can display anything you want on this glam tray. And I love how the legs look. Using the blocks, tower blocks, I forgot what they're called, that you get from the Dollar Tree. And just adding our mirrored pieces to it, and they look lovely. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I have inspired you with another lovely and glam DIY that you can make for yourself or as a gift for a loved one. And I do hope you guys will give me a thumbs up for today's DIY. And thank you so much for coming on and seeing what I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.